Feeling overwhelmed by the Dubsado 3.0 homepage? In this video, I walk you through exactly how I customized mine, what I hid, what I kept, and how I made it feel like my calm and CEO-friendly place again. Before I get into all of that, let me introduce myself in case you're new here. I'm Amy Pearson, and I'm the founder of Amy Gould & Company. I help creative business owners work less, make more, and wow clients using Dubsado automation and systems. So I've spent the last 5 years in Dubsado 2.0, and I have to say, when I logged into 3.0 for the first time, it really felt like I was in a whole different platform. I felt completely overwhelmed. There was so much information on the homepage. Things were in new places. I missed my comfy, cozy Dubsado 2.0 homepage. I was used to what was there, where it was, what it looked like. I didn't love it at first. It wasn't that anything was wrong. It was just a lot of change all at once. Once I customized it to work the way my brain works and put all the things that I thought were really important at the top of the page, I went from not loving Dubsado 3.0 to feeling much better about it. I'm not going to say that I'm in love with it yet. We fear change. So in this video, I'm going to share exactly how I customized my Dubsado 3.0 homepage, what I hid, what I kept, and how I made it feel calm, useful, and very CEO friendly. The truth is, Dubsado 3.0 doesn't stress me out. The default homepage did. There was just a lot of information on there. So before I show you what I did, I want to explain why. As a system strategist and as a human in general, I just need my systems to reduce decision fatigue, not add to it. I don't want to log in and see every single thing that I could possibly access in Dubsado. It's just too much. I just want to know what needs my attention right now, and I want to be able to access a few other things. The Dubsado default 3.0 homepage is great. There's a lot of information in there, but for me, it just showed too many things at once. Projects, invoices, reports, tasks. Instead of trying to get used to it as it was, I decided to customize it to support the way I actually work and show me the things that I felt were important on the top of the page, and then give me a place to grab all of my numbers and information at the bottom of the page. So I can scroll down there and see the reports and numbers when I want. If I'm not interested in that, I can totally just not go down there, and it just lives down there until I go look at it. Here's the shift that made everything click. Your Dubsado homepage doesn't have to show you everything. It only needs to show you the things that help you take your next best action and keep tabs on your systems. Once I let go of the idea that I needed to have everything there and started clicking hide on things, customizing this view became really simple. Let me show you what I actually kept in my homepage. This up here is the display, and you can click that and toggle on and off what you want to see and what you don't. Waiting on You always stays on the top of my homepage in Dubsado because I want to know the things that need me to take action on them. Next up, I've got upcoming events. Those are my appointments that have been booked through the Dubsado scheduler. I always want to see visually what I've got coming up for appointments. Then I've got finance reports and projects reports. These I put further down the page because I don't necessarily need to look at them every time I come into Dubsado, but I do want to be able to access them easily, and there's not a simple way to get to them from the menu, at least that I know of currently. So I kept those here, but they're further down the page. I've still got tasks down here, and tasks are something I'm still trying to decide if I want to leave on the homepage or not. A lot of times I'm going into projects and marking the task complete inside of the workflow. So I don't necessarily need to have this on my homepage. In the future, I might make this hidden, but we'll see. Now, this is where the magic really happened. I hid anything that didn't help me take action from the homepage or is something that I might just access somewhere else. So if I need projects, I'll go to projects. If I need invoices, I'll go to invoices on the left-hand menu. So those were really easy things to just hide. Didn't really see the value in keeping that on my homepage. Once I went through all of the different options for what I could see on the homepage, I clicked on this area up here and dragged things around until I got the information in the order that I wanted it in. So like for instance, if I wanted project reports at the top, I could drag it up here and then those would be at the top. But I don't want to look at those every single day, so they're down here at the bottom. And I kept dragging things around until I was really happy with how things were looking, the information that was most visible. And that's what really made this homepage feel a little more like home. Then this is the result. When I log into Dubsado now, I feel calm. I can see what I need to take action on. It sort of resembles my original Dubsado 2.0 homepage. I don't have all of this information in my face. That's kind of distracting. I feel like I can move projects forward, get in here, check on things, and get things done. It doesn't take a lot of time to do this for yourself inside of Dubsado 3.0, but it does make a huge difference in how supported you feel by your systems. My advice with Dubsado 3.0 is, I know it's a lot of change. Take your time, go through, do some customizing on the views, get to know a section a day. I definitely recommend going in and checking your workflows to make sure they all work the same as they did. I have had a couple little glitchy things happen, and I think most of those issues have been resolved by the team at Dubsado by now. But definitely go in and test your workflows, make sure everything's still where you left it, reorganize things. I think my schedulers are a little jumbled right now, and so things are a little messy. Just take some time to go in and customize the views, get to know things, take your time getting to know Dubsado 3.0. It's not going away. I'm pretty sure they're not bringing back the 2.0. Just know that if you're feeling overwhelmed, you don't need to rebuild everything. Sometimes you just need to make the system work the way you work and customize it as much as you can. If you want help figuring out what your homepage should show or how to clean up the workflows underneath it, I offer system strategy sessions where we map this out together. And if you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe. I'm sharing more tips that focus on clarity, not complexity.